Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover how to make strobing light effects in Adobe Premiere. To kick things off, I've opened up a video clip that I'd like to add a strobing light effect to. Begin by positioning your time marker to where you want the strobing light effect to start. Then head over to your project panel, click the New Item button down here, and select Adjustment Layer. Now drag and drop your new adjustment layer onto the timeline where your time marker is positioned. Drag the right edge of your adjustment layer to where you would like the strobing lights effect to end. Next, go over to your effects panel, type strobe into the search box and drag the effect onto your adjustment layer. Now select your adjustment layer and go up to Effect Controls. Under where it says Strobe Light, change the strobe color to black. Set the strobe duration to 0.07. and then the strobe period to 0.15. Play around with these two values to find the strobe effect that works best for your project. I found these settings best for getting a quick flash effect. Now play your video back and you'll see that your video strobes to black. If you want to use different colors, like white for example, just change the strobe color. Now as you can see, strobing with solid colors isn't pleasant to the viewer. So to dampen the effect, I recommend increasing the blend with original value to achieve a more pleasing opaque strobe. Now let's play that back. Looks much better. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching and I look forward to seeing you again soon.